Our 106-year-old great grandma has passed. This is the invitation for her burial. She lived to a ripe old age of 106 years, but we still want to have her here. Akwa na photo self up to na acha blue. Photo ni ne ha share has set in a group. We check on ne ha blue self.
Na phone.
Man on acha purple na nkem na. Ni ne ha na set the more blue ko na acha. We are going to Mameziago's place. Today marks the beginning of our final farewell to our great-grandma.
Great-grandma.
Our special Mameziago.
A woman of substance.
We are going to see her for the last time. She lived to a ripe old age of 106 years old. It's not easy. And she quietly slept in the Lord. She lived a good life. It's a celebration of life, but we still miss her. You all know why.
Goodbye, Grandma.
We are washing our car. As always, lastminute.com. It's customary for the Nwadianis to go and see how their maternal uncles and aunties are preparing for the burial. So that's what we are going for. Nwadiani is any descendant of Mameziago born to her female children. We are going to show our support and see how they are getting ready for the burial. We are there now. You will see us going from compound to compound to the houses of Mameziago's male children to greet them. Auntie, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Our own mama is already here because it's her mom's burial. So she will stay here for the duration of the burial. Ma, good evening.
Good evening. No.
Good evening.
Ele. Ele. Oronye mulia na ekene.
Ale eme hanyanya chi Wednesday.
Ama kwa no ya. Nem no. No. I can go.
Oh yeah, we have bachelor.
Was save ama hota shi.
Nne mama, ibiale be nne.
Yeah.
Ibiabe. This is my mother-in-law's sister, Mameziago's daughter. This is Ada Bank.
Bank on that one. Bank la puego. Hola, puego.
Hey, see Mameziago's room. All her memorabilia that she refused to remove. You removed everything. Hey, good evening. The auntie that was there when it from beginning till end. Auntie Mad. That one. Auntie Mad, what VIP section, girl? He forget about someone. In a kusu. On a kusu. I like kusu. If I get us to do. Happy I'm way to Ake Uchiongwa's house. Who's this Etilio Bodo in those days? Ebun Etilio Bodo. Okay, ọfịa etochicha ka ị na-ekwu. Ọ ụzọ village, ụmụazị village a na-atụ egwu ọfịa. Afọ ike a na-abacha ha in those days. Onismos, Tishme, Zephaniah, Josephat, village walk. Erosion adịghị ebe a. Bernard. Ebe nwa dị nso sef. Ngozi ha. Mma na ji nube m ụkwụ wee si be m Ezeagu wee bịa Bernard. Ebe ka ha nisere efi nwa. Bụkwa ebe dị ka ụlọ ụka. Oh, okay. Auntie Grebia Ezeagu na-abịa ụka ebe ọ ya na-abịa ụka dị nso. Oh, it's true. Dịka na ha nyanwa ka ha na-eje. Ndị sure na ọ dị influence ya ka eji wee weta ebe a sef. Egbuchago efi nwa sef. Good evening, sirs. Efugo m ihu ya. Otu ọ dị na foto ya. Happy New Year.
Accountant General.
Office of the Accountant General. Aka ekpuchi ọnwa na Bauchi. Aka ekpuchi ọnwa na Bauchi and my favorite auntie. Hey, in one frame. Auntie mmadụ.
Hey!
Auntie mmadụ. Afụkwa m ihe ivutere m n'ụtụtụ ị naghị agha ivute na ihe ndị ibe ọpụchaghị wee ma oge wụ na iri stew na auntie ị naghị aka ị naghị echenji ọkwa ifụrụ since m bịarụ di ọkwa ifụ since m bịarụ dibịa onye egwu na otu a ka ịdị ị naghị eme kpakam like ị dey shift nna wa ana m agwa gị nkere eziokwu until this style isi ya mme ntị m wee dọkọ ịma na enwevu m ntị since ọ na-etu live ahụ ezigbo ihe
Hey, thank God for you. Yeah.
That's not thank God for me.
Yes, no.
In a hard weight, oh yeah, call one thing. And I just say share the weight. I know.
Normal.
Them can do
better. I said I was in the candies.
Until when I kid you now, we're going to the kitchen after you too. We are always there, okay? As soon as we go, if you want to 5 for one,
I am not going to say, I don't have to can again.
I'm going to Amukana work or Gikanawa. Amukana work, I'm going to Amukana Hana work or Gikana. Good evening, this is Nike. Hey, is she quick? Good evening, Mass. This is Nike. Good evening. Hey. Hey, she quick go quit. Oh, fear go qua. Oh, fear go qua. Woo! Oh, fear like what? Oh, fear like what? No, fear go quill. No, fear go quill. See Udala. Hey, can be I go do Udala first. Udala me this year. The last time I be on me, no. Good evening, Mas. See coolers. Now, one more cows. I'm not see buchale if you want. First half, Kakano. First half. Listen, you can. No, the course ever. See Udala. See? I'm going to hey, see Udala. Oh. Come and pluck. One. Good evening.
Oh, I can't let them go.
Also, what is a gamma she?
In my home.
Manama meets you. Man, I even a practice like church. So much is there, man. I'm like
Messed. See the classic, man. Good evening, sirs. Hey, should I care? When I forgot this kind of classic before. Lolo. Uncle, good evening, sir. Cake you, man.
No.
Oh.
I like you.
I'm a motor, uncle. Hey, cake is here, maintain good motor. We'll look it. Hey. Yeah, Jack, what's here now? Oh, we had a road show, and for the motor classic. Na Lagos, na Nigeria, especially this Mercedes. What la beke one na Lagos, and me na Lagos. Hey, lolo. See classic. Hey, man. Hey, see Udala. Hey, thank you. This small one is bearing fruit, man. Madam, hey. If Udala jukwe your name. Hey. No queen when Udala inside your compound. No, not. Okay, one. Udala if I will ya woman on with Racha.
Marry him on.
Na mama li go no otan na nega. Mano Udala di ho bad for Udala go la. Be go do same photo na motor. The burial lasts for 3 days. The first night is service of songs which takes place at dusk till late.